Hi friends, welcome you on my new YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how to write informal letters. Informal letters are also known as personal letters, social letters or family letters. Personal letters or informal letters are friendly or social letters to relatives, friends, intimate neighbors. The tone in this letter should be informal and natural. The style should be easy and conversational. For writing informal letter, 5 points are very important. First is the sender's address, second is the date, third is the salutation, fourth is body of the letter, and fifth is the subscription. So the sender's address along with the date is written either at the top of the right hand corner or the beginning with the left margin of the letter. But at present, writing address of the sender at the left hand side is more popular and it is going to be followed. So we have to give preference to write sender's address at the left hand of the margin of the letter. And this is preferable also. So after writing the sender's address, date is very important. The date may be written in any one of the format, just like DDMMYY or MMDDYY. And after writing the date, the salutation is very important. Writing salutation, third point. Since this is the informal letter, so salutation should be written like this according to the question of the question, just like my dear father, my dear brother, my dear friends. Like this we can write down the salutation, and salutation of writing salutation comma has to be given. After writing the salutation, the body of the letter should be divided into the paragraph. Each paragraph contains a single idea. There should be no formal introductions or any other formal language. Since this is informal letter, so we have to use our friendly language. And last point is the subscription. The subscription can be written either at the right hand bottom of the letter or beginning with the left margin. This day we usually write it beginning with the left margin, so it corresponded to the salutation in tone. So here in personal correspondence, the subscriptions usually are just like yours affectionately, yours sincerely, your loving sir, like this. So here I'm giving one example of informal letter. So in this question we can see that they have asked you how to write a letter to your brother, congratulate him on his success in the examination. As the questions, we wrote the sender's address at the left side of the margin of a notebook, and after writing the sender's address we wrote the date and salutation. As we know that my dear brother we wrote there, and after writing the salutation, the introductory line is there. I'm really glad after reading your letter, and I feel very much proud of your success in the examination. Since they ask you in the question to write a letter to your brother congratulating him, so you should start the letter like this. And after the second paragraph we wrote there his achievements and about his achievements and hard work. And in the third paragraph we convey the message of our father and mother to him and how they are praised to him. And after writing these three paragraphs of the informal letter, we wrote here subscription. In the subscription wrote there yours lovingly. So these points are very important for writing informal letter. So whenever in the exam it is asked you write an informal letter, this format you can use, and with the help of this format you will get good mark in the exams. Also, not only in the exam, in day-to-day life we who want to send letters, that time this format is very useful. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me your doubts in the comment box. Thank you.